Hey friends, if you wish to turn off Windows border color in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, then go to the personalization tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, click on colors. Now there's an option for accent colors and make sure that it is set it manually. Scroll down and there's an option which says show accent color on title bars and Windows borders. Turn this on to enable it and turn this off to remove it. And if you turn it on, it will show the color on the borders. Let us say that it is dark red or something. You notice it on the borders. Okay, just check it here. For WhatsApp, it has changed. For a lot of icons, it would have changed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.